Right, it's sound pack time. So you say it with me. Okay. Oh, it's upside down. Flip it around. There we go. That's better. Alright. A. I. E. E. D. O. And sometimes S. Qu. Oh, this one's upside down. B. G. And sometimes J. A. U. K. K. V. Y. O. Z. J. Qu. X. I at the end of a short word and E at the end of a long word. Sh. Ch. A. E. I. O. U. Or oo. Ng. Nk. Oo or oo. A in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. A at the end of a word. E. 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 A. I. O in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. U and U and oo. U and oo. U and oo. Or. Ah. Ch. O at the end of a word. Ow at the end of a word. Pushed to the middle when followed by L, N, or D. Oi in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. Oi at the end of a word. Ed, D, or T. K. S. K. K. S. K. S. K. G. J. J. G. J. G. G. E and I. Piece of pie. We can remember that one. J. O in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. J. A. Or in the middle and sometimes at the start of a word. Consonant L-E count back 3. E and A. Grey monkey. E and A. Well done, everyone.